What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Fishing with Friends tour. We are here at PAC. I'm already here, kind of starting things a little bit out of order, but we're here. We're in the houseboat, as you can see. Got it all going on, but we're here at the houseboat. Adam and Heath are already here. Rex is here. Waiting on Chris, and Derp ought to be here tomorrow, but we are here for a week down in Pointe-aux-Chenes, South Louisiana. We've got a week full of fishing. You know, it's the annual YakTribe takeover. At the following week, you know, next Saturday, today's Sunday, next Saturday, we've got the big YakTribe meetup, so that'll be fun. We got a lot of people coming down for that. Bill's gonna make it here this weekend, so we'll have the Whistlin Waters crew. We got talks that Two Hooks might make it, man. There's gonna be a ton of people here this week. Andrew McCauley's gonna make it out tomorrow, so just got a ton of people coming through. Got a ton of fishing to do this week. Ton of content coming at you guys. And not the best weather, you know, of course, for our Louisiana trips. As always, we have just got a cranking north wind today. Howling out there. We got low water, dirty water, and cold temperatures. So it's about usual what we're used to here in Louisiana. But so we know how to fish it. But yeah, so enough. You know, we'll quit talking. Just got a ton of videos, ton of content coming up, and got some sick B-roll coming up in 3, 2, 1. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I don't know if this is the beginning of a video, the middle of the video, end of a video. I don't know how the editing's gonna go, but we are here. It is day 2. We're out in the marsh. We're getting after them. You know, we got a little bit of overcast today. Supposed to, you know, when we were checking the phones yesterday, it was 100% chance of rain today. It was supposed to just be a washout. Ended up waking up and it wasn't too bad, so you know, we're gonna get out here, we're gonna chase some fish. We got old Josh, Topwater Slams, has made it. I'll link his stuff below if y'all want to check him out. He fishes the South Florida area down there, Mosquito Lagoon, and crushes the fish on topwater. Andrew McCauley made it. He's back behind me a little ways working the line. Of course, we got Adam. Heath ran into town today and Rex had to take care of a few things at the campers, so he's not out here today, but we're gonna get after him. Hopefully we can find a few fish. I already lost one trout, you know, did my whole trolling thing. All right, first fish of day 2. Not a bad, oh no! As you can see, he got off at the boat, had him close though, so that's a good start. Hopefully that means good things, but we're gonna get it down here. I'm gonna push into these marsh. We're fishing some of these grass lines, a little patchier marsh. Got the old topwater rigged up. The old overcast, cotton candy overcast. We're gonna throw that a little bit, see if we can't find a few. I got the old weedless wedge tail rigged up. That one's gonna go. The old LSU colors. We're in Tigerland, so figure why not. But hopefully we can find a few fish today. You know, yesterday was a tough day of fishing. A lot of dirty water, a lot of high winds, and we only caught one fish. Got that one redfish. First redfish of the trip. It's not huge, but man, he's got a big old fat belly on him. You can tell he's been eating good. But hopefully today is gonna be a little bit better. Hopefully we can find a lot of fish, get some topwater action, maybe see some tailing, but who knows? As long as we catch some fish, it'll be good either way. But we'll quit talking and we will jump into it. I got a school. I'm hunting wabbits.
Have you caught any fish?
Dang it. Alright, so sight casting is not going to work. That is the second one I have ran across. T-rope! I just want to catch a bunch of trout, that way I can tell Heath he's got a clean fish. Wonderful Louisiana weather. Hey, I'm on the board! Oh, it's in his eyeball. Alright, y'all, turned my cameras off, took the action net off. We had some storms moving through, but on the board, got a trout here. Finally got one, got him on the old fanger banger, banging the fingers on the fanger bangers. Fanger banger. Banger, fanger, fanger, banger on the banger fanger. Andrew's hooked up. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep going. Things seem like they're kind of turning on. Try to get a few more fish. These are gnarly. Good thing though is once we go around that point right there, we can kind of double back and we can stay on the back side of that line and get out of this chop. Yeah, some of these you might want to get off that bank a little bit if you can. Once we go about another 100 yards and we can turn, honestly, man, almost I'd be afraid we'd sink in the mud, but I mean, it's like a 10-yard thick thing of island right there we got to get through. Get on the back side of that and just kind of hang out for a second and try to yeah, because I know a couple of these have made me feel like I was about to go over. I figure. Yeah, some of these men are. That's a tackle bag. Jeez Louise, I'm glad we're not out. Oh, you wanna walk? Am I recording? Woo! Walk down. I'm gonna walk down, maybe drive my truck back up.
His vlog camera.
All right, so we're gonna get in the middle of.
He's ready to vlog.
All right, so
right now.
we're vlogging.
He's ready to
we're
vlog.
Vlogging.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging. I'm
We're
vlogging
vloggers.
his vlog.
We're full-time vloggers.
Oh god.
Woo, about to get that 100.
Hang on. I didn't have my hat on. All right. I'm ready to vlog.
We're vloggers.
We're vlogging. We're vloggers. Vlog life.
Follow us, please. All right, guys. The rest of the crew just got here. Here's Derp.
Oh!
And Chris Santoro. My man got the beard going.
21 hours later, we here.
Dude, this drive was
What up, bro?
We brought oil.
What up?
We brought canola oil.
How's life, man?
It's good.
Good.
Dude, the last 10 miles, my heart was just going, oh, I'm here. I'm home. It's so good to be back here. I mean, I'm down. I don't know if you want this to be on camera, but
How you doing, man?
it's good to see you.
Oh! Oh! All right, guys. All right. I gotta take my dip out.
Chris.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Mike. Andrew's over there.
That's dirty.
Mike. I didn't get you. It's green apple too. You can do this too.
Assume the position.
Immediately got him. Would you expect anything less?
Wow. 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 Wow.
Nice to meet you.
We almost died.
It's so cold.
Will he stop?
It's so cold.
We were like way back here. Like tornado weather rolled through.